For a presentation that you are not actually giving in person, you can narrate it with PowerPoint, recording your voice so that others can play it back when they watch the presentation. It is a great tool that is popular with presentations on networks such as SlideShare, YouTube, and even individual websites. Here is how to narrate a PowerPoint presentation by recording your voice in a few quick steps. The first step to preparing a narrated or recorded PowerPoint presentation is to design the presentation and refine the content. During this step, you may even want to think about how you will script the presentation so that you are designing with a flow in mind. Make sure to include any specific transitions you want to use from slide to slide. Before recording a narration, write out a script and check your computer microphone to ensure that the sound is correct and that recordings will be at an appropriate volume. You can do this with a short test recording. Now it is time to record the narration. You can record narration for all slides or select slides. Open your presentation and navigate to the Slideshow tab. If you are recording narration for all of the slides, you are ready. However, if you plan to record a voiceover for only some of the slides, you want to hide the slides you won't have a recording for. You can do this by selecting the slides you don't want to include, right or control click, and then hit Hide Slide. Now you are ready to record. Good luck! In the Slideshow tab, click the Record Slideshow button from the first slide in your presentation. Recording starts automatically. You'll notice the screen shifts into full presentation mode. As you record the narration, you can use the navigation tools on the screen to advance the slides. This will override any previous timing settings so that slides advance in tandem with your voice narration. When you are finished, click End and you will be prompted to save the recording. Only one recording can be saved at a time. A new recording will override any previously saved recorded narrations. You can preview the recording using the Start button. Helpful keyboard shortcuts. Using keyboard shortcuts during recording can make it a little bit easier. So in order to advance to the next slide, you can click the mouse or hit the spacebar or right arrow on your keyboard. In order to go back one slide, you can hit Delete or the left arrow on the keyboard. To toggle to a black screen, which may be important in presentations, use the B key. You can end the slideshow recording by hitting Escape on your keyboard. Finally, you'll want to determine how the presentation will be played back for users. Click on Set Up Slideshow from the menu and make your selections from the options on the screen. Then you can save or export to a desired file format. A PowerPoint presentation with a narrated recording can be a useful tool to help get your information in front of more people. All you need to do is be in a quiet room to record and have a microphone attached to your computer. Thank you.